and quite an interesting pre-market we had here. It's gonna be a good morning. I feel it with the movement we've had in pre-market. Looking at all this here, it's gonna be pretty good. So about 4 minutes left. Let's hop into the options discussion channel. If you're not a part of WingTrade, make sure to check it out at wingtrades.com and just link your Discord account. You can join us every morning live in voice chat, so you don't have to get the delayed stream on here, and that way you can get those entries at the exact time that we take them. Like yesterday, for example, the quick 1 minute in and out for a few bucks there, those type of entries are crucial on timing. Alright, so as far as what we're looking at on the daily, let's zoom into SPY here. We've got this support, 26848, which is right here. This is going to be a crucial support for today. If we break down below that and take out this pre-market low at 26809, we'll be able to hold puts for at least an hour or so. If we get a bounce up to 2.7, it's going to be a little tougher, but that's alright. Should be good either way. We don't care so much about timing of like holding it long term. We really just want to take advantage of the quick movement, and that's what we're all about, that very quick movement in and out, grab the edge, very little market exposure, right? We want to be in there for a short term and then run. Should be good. Should be really good. Alright. I love my mechanical keyboard. Super clicky. Yeah, so if we just look at the 5 minute, 15, and 1 on SPY here, you can see constant pullbacks. The only thing that I'm slightly worried about, right? This is the only major issue. Inverse head and shoulders. Left, head, right. Perfect neckline at 28115. If we start to get a reversal, this might go to test the inverse head and shoulders, and we'll be back in a bull market just by pure technical. Although I don't see it happening like that. It's a sleepy morning. Although I don't see it happening like that, that does happen. So we'll have to keep that in mind and just keep that on the back burner, make sure we don't get freaked out a little bit. Alright. Alrighty. So now we're just waiting. We've got about a minute left here till open. Should be a good time. Hey, good morning, Paula. Alright.
How are you?
Oh, doing pretty well. Should be an interesting morning. Nice volatile pre-market.
Paula, what's shaking, girl?
Nothing. I'm just home for an hour before I gotta go out, so I thought I'd jump on.
Nice. That's the best way to do it. I only really trade for an hour and then go about my day. It's wonderful.
That's what I need to do.
Yeah, it's great. I don't care what the market does after like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Nothing matters.
Paula?
I'm doing all right.
Yeah.
I'm still home from work. I'm gonna try to go in today.
We're expecting 4 to 7 inches of that white powdery stuff tonight.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
I'm ready. I got my ski pass. I'm just not cleared the ski yet.
I bet you are. Cool. And we're open, people. Let's do this.
Watching the first few minutes here. I want to see how this plays out. Definitely playing the one-day contracts. I love Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those one-day contracts are perfect. Now we just have to see how this is going to play out.
Apple tanked it open.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm watching DWOWs right now.
Oh, yeah, inverse gas. I bought a whole bunch of UGAS at 108, sold it yesterday at 250. That was the coolest move I think I've ever made in a week.
Apple trying to recover here. I think that's BS.
Oh yeah, I agree.
I got all kinds of alerts going off to the point I can't even keep track.
Nice. I'm gonna preload 5 contracts of SPY puts 268, and when we get the breakdown of yesterday's low, I'm taking it.
268 for.
Oh, hey, look, I'm taking it.
What's the expiration?
For tomorrow, 1 day. This is gonna be just very simple, in and out, maybe 5-10 minutes. So I filled those at the good old price of 179. They're currently 184. Wow, that was quick. Shit. Love it when that happens.
I've already gone up that much.
Yep.
The volatility. Gotta love it.
What did you get in at?
I got at wow, why don't I remember? 179. So it'll float around break even for. Oh, just kidding. We're up 188 now. 190.
Low coming, Aaron.
There's a pre-market low test. Come on, break. There it is. There's a break.
See you later.
268 psychological test here. There's a slight bounce. I don't expect this to actually bounce here. Bears have control of the morning. See how this plays out.
You got price resistance at 50.
Yep, price resistance at 50, support at 0. If we go to the daily chart of SPY, we are under 26848, which was support from, when was that? Back in July. That was the bottom of that trend drop. We have 263.68. That's my price target for today. Down $5. So we're just gonna chill out and let this thing do what it needs to do.
Here comes Apple, just plowing through the new low on Apple.
Yep, I saw that SPY. Oh my god, what a beautiful drop.
Bummer, I'm stuck. I gotta get out of IQ.
Out of IQ, okay.
Yeah, I bought high and I thought it was gonna move and I'm down like 40%.
Oof. So as it stands, 179 currently trading at 220. Holy shit. Oh man, alright. SPY, just do your thing. Q's still not below pre-market. DIA definitely below pre-market.
VIX over 22.
Ooh, okay.
Yep.
I
Yeah,
can
we
deal with that.
closed above 20 yesterday on VIX.
Okay. Alright, I can deal with that.
Using pre-market low as resistance right now at that 6815 area.
Yep, SPY reloading to the 20 here. I should have taken profits.
Yeah,
but that's okay.
Wonder why you didn't.
Got
Apple-
cocky. It happened.
Apple, very ambitious this morning.
Yeah.
Very ambitious for Apple.
It
Yes.
died out of the market and then pulled right back up, right?
Yes.
I don't expect it to hold up there.
It made a new low also, Aaron.
It made a new low. Ooh.
And now it's rebounding.
Oh, look at VIPs. Wow,
Yeah, 2213 on VIX.
it's a reversal. Oh, VIP, not VIX.
Oh, VIPS.
Oh, VIPs.
Come on, SPY.
Microsoft's setting up. I'd like to see a VWAP test here for MSFT. Boy,
SPY,
Apple, very ambitious.
SPY to 13. I should have taken profits on that drop. Yep, everything's recovering. Shit, I'm at break even. Bloody hell.
Oop, calories.
Apple ripping.
Alright,
She's
let's
a
see
small-
how this plays out.
Microsoft plowed through VWAP. It doesn't care.
Ooh, somebody got a lot of alerts.
Yeah, it was up 30 cents already.
Yeah. Q's, holy shit. New high of day on Q's.
What are the
Huge
Qs?
push.
Yeah, the Qs are. The SPY is the laggard right now.
I really should have taken profits on that. God damn.
Q's looking to go green. Testing break even here.
Yeah, it tapped the break even.
From the close, I mean. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
SPY lagging up here. It's going to come back down.
Rejecting the 20 on the 2 minute.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, rejecting just under VWAP for SPY. Bloody hell, SPY.
Okay, so I'm currently looking at 105.40 for MSFT. Gotta keep an eye on SPY.
Alright, we're coming back down on SPY.
Oh my gosh.
Rejected VWAP. 5 and 15 minute looks scary though.
2 minute coming into a buy signal. Pretty
Yep.
much across the board.
2 minute Qs pulling back, 2 minute DIA pulling back. That's a 13 reload on DIA. Let's see how this actually plays out. No, bullish. Bloody hell.
Yeah, bullish right now.
Qs, damn.
Microsoft cranking it.
SPY went a whole $1.25. Wow. Okay, so it's gonna be one of those days. You gotta just take profits into the push. Volume's waning a little bit. Long wick up top.
What's the plan on SPY?
I'm gonna double my order here in a moment.
Okay, for puts?
For puts, yeah.
Okay, I agree.
But it needs to chill the fuck out first.
Yeah, it's going to reject from the 269.9. I put something in equity alert or option alerts too.
Okay, 269.9.
Yep.
That is up there.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
it's only a
270 is in play this morning, Aaron.
Yeah, I don't know. Bears have control since pre-market.
Mm-hmm.
A huge push out of the open on the bear side. The reload, it's going to be tough.
Okay.
Needs to get under VWAP. DIA is still very bearish. Let's see here. Needs to get under VWAP here. Qs needs to chill the hell out.
Yeah, XLK leading.
And we're stalling at 269 here at the dollar. So we just need some reversal and then we'll be okay. One minute candle finally closed red on SPY and DIA here. Now let's just get under VWAP. Alright, back under VWAP. Good job, SPY. Now let's close under VWAP. 30 seconds on the candle. Somebody's angrily typing. I like it. An angry typer. I like it.
Apple pulling back a little bit, caught the rising 20 on the 2.
Alright.
Microsoft. Yeah.
Didn't close under VWAP. Now we're moving under VWAP. There we go. Doubled my order. 10 contracts in SPY puts. Build those puppies at 171, so I have a 175 average. Holy shit. Hello, SPY. Okay, so I've got the market order to sell 10 contracts of SPY puts. It just needs to get to the point where I can market it. Alright, SPY coming down here. It's lagging a little bit on the 1 minute at yesterday's low of day, 26845. A little bit of a lag here. Do bulls actually have control this morning?
I thought.
I'll be damned. Q's almost new high of day. SPY almost new high of day. $269 stalled yet again. 20 seconds on this candle.
What was that movement?
What?
What was that movement where we had a pullback below VWAP and then it came right back above?
Just a whole bunch of sellers.
Are they getting out early?
It's hard to tell. It really is.
I'm bearish on the day, and I think, this movement
Yeah.
is indicative of bearish movement. We're having lower high here on
Yep.
everything except
Everything
DIA.
except VWAP here is signaling down.
Okay. I'm trying to keep us going in momentum too. We got a play or two.
Nice. Always good to have those plays. I know momentum's tough when the market's doing this.
We closed below VWAP here, Aaron, and I like our downside
Yeah.
opportunity. Yep. I got
I'm just holding
minute,
this.
minute 20 on my 2-minute candle. So
Okay. Yeah, as it stands right now, I'm just watching SPY kind of wedge in, and I think bears are going to take control here. Because we didn't get that higher high at 941. Here we go, SPY. Push, 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 push. There it is. 1
It's
cent
okay.
under, so we're okay.
it's okay giving up. Q's are red.
Yeah, Q's went back to red. DIA leaning over. SPY needs to get under 240 or 268.45. And that's not the way to do it, SPY. Son of a bitch.
What's going on here?
We're in the mega chop. I hate these types of reloads.
XLK just jumped. Q's
Yeah.
just. Let's give her a minute. Or 5. Boy, oh boy. Long setups are playing. Whoo! Microsoft.
Needs to come back down. Although Q's are looking bullish, I don't like it. Looking at the daily chart, yeah, it's tough. It's gonna be really tough to say.
There's
Alright,
one.
I'm out.
See you later, Microsoft.
I'm out on SPY. That whooped my ass. I'll
The,
come back when there's better direction.
The curve setup on Microsoft was perfect, and I'll draw it up for the long. I'll draw
Okay.
it up later. That was
Yeah, that whooped my ass. Let me guess, 300? Oh, only 250. Okay, we're good. Yeah, that just fuck. That's
No.
alright.
I think watch at 270. I think that's in play.
Only $1,700 on buying power? That's nothing. So now we gotta wait to figure out what direction SPY's actually gonna take, because it didn't continue on the 1 minute here. So as far as the entry that I want to take, it's a move under 268.45 with continuation to and through 267.66. And that's really the only movement that I'm comfortable with. Really the only thing I want to play. Yep, Q's pulling back hard on that breakout attempt, almost back under.
The only green sector is XLK. Everything else is red.
Yeah, I see that over on Tastyworks watch list.
That's it.
And that's why I'm confident that we will get a bear move, but we just have to wait for the entry that gives us the edge. I'm just pissed I didn't take the profit on that first move of the morning. That was stupid. That was really dumb. But we will not do that again. We've learned our lesson. Spy, come back down, please. DIA looking halfway decent for a bear move once we get under. There we go, Spy back in the range. Waiting for Spy to break under 26845. I'm gonna take. What do I want? I want 267.5 puts, 10 contracts. So those are preloaded. Just gotta see how this is gonna play out. Needs to make the new low, because we got a new high on the trend. So we need to make the new low and then continue down. But it's stalling here at VWAP, so we'll see how this plays out. Spy's still down 0.5% on the day, 1.25. Just patiently waiting to see how this plays out. How's that momentum play going over there, Chris? Thought you ran away to the momentum room. That would make sense. So we got a new higher low on the trend, but we may get a lower high here. Spy's stalling a little bit, plus or minus about 25 cents around the 269 flat area. So we'll see how this plays out. And double top, new high of day on Spy. Alright, so we're slightly bullish this morning. Looks like we're going to get a move to 270 here. Just going to patiently wait.
Looks like it is going to test that 69.6.
Yep. That was a great test right there. 26967 high. I'm waiting for that lower high and lower low for the trend confirmation for the reversal. It may go till 10:30, 11 to get that. But luckily we've got 10 minutes until the 10 a.m. drop, so that might help as well.
I'm gonna have to jump online with you guys more often. This is way more fun than what I was doing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we keep it moving, especially when Spy has this type of movement. But It's just trying to make sure that we get entries that have an edge and then not being stupid and taking a 20% profit and letting it turn into a loss. That's not a good thing.
That tends to be what happens to me.
Yeah. I've been really good the last few weeks of the moment I get into profit and the trend dies, I'm out. But this morning, for whatever reason, I let that go out the window. And that won't happen again. Alright, here we go, SPY, back to the 20 SMA.
Are you being patient with the morning? I haven't been in the call.
I've been patient, but it's tough when we get this choppy up stair climb. But the moment we get that stair climb that fails,
Sure.
then it's a put entry that goes through the basement. And that's what I'm waiting on right now. I've got 10 contracts preloaded for the 267.5 puts.
Right. It is higher lows, but it's not a.
But it's not an impressive move here.
No, it's the bearish flag that's going to confirm it. So with 268, 64, excuse me, key level that'll create the breakdown. We have everything below VWAP now. I'm going to jump over to momentum because we have something.
Awesome. That's good. Let's go grab those movements. Those movers. I don't know why I can't speak English this morning.
I'm having a hard time too.
Days.
It's a snow day. It's a snow day, you know.
Yep.
I'll be right back.
Alrighty. So I'm watching the 268.48. That's where our first higher low was. We got a higher low from the 9:48 a.m. spot. So now we just need this to print a lower high and then come down for the final wave, and that's where we will take our puts. Or if it breaks below 268.48 with force, we'll take it there too. Q's starting to become a little bearish. DIA leaning over as well. Here we go. Come on, SPY. Come on, come on, come on. Q's failed VWAP. Q's are now under the 20 SMA on the 2 minute, which is a good sign. See if it stalls here. Goes for that lower high and then comes down. Bearish 1320 cross on the 1 minute SPY. It's a good sign. Watching this right here, watching 6 minutes until the 10 a.m. drop. We'll keep that in mind. So it used that 268.5 as the reload. Now it just has to make that lower high. Here we go. I'm ready. And I'm going to move these to... Yeah, we'll do 267.5s. SPY head and shoulders going on here. This is what we're looking at. We've got the left shoulder at 9:38 a.m. We've got the head at 9:49 a.m. and now we're creating the right shoulder. So we'll see how this plays out. Q's not getting any move up here. Tried to get a nice bullish push and then it completely failed on the 2 minute. So this is our right shoulder that's being put into play right now. Our neckline break is at 268.48. If we go to the daily chart, slightly bullish, but it's going to have to go bearish here. 15-minute curl, 5-minute also looking bearish. Failed to get the bullish cross there. Ooh, SPY push. This is why we didn't take the entry yet. $10 on this candle. Wow, huge rejection. That's awesome. That went up 40 cents and then came back and only took like 13 cents. A lot of wicks up top. Come on, SPY. Let's get some direction here. Quit channeling. Just gonna patiently wait. That's the hardest part. Three minutes until the supposed 10 a.m. drop. If SPY comes down here, that confirms the right shoulder. Grab a quick snippet.
Looks like Hughes needs to lead this, Aaron.
Yep, I agree. SPY confirming the right neckline, or the, right shoulder right now. That was way too many rights. English is weird. Yep, Hughes needs to really turn over. SPY is going to get this.
Hughes under the whole dollar.
Very nice. Let's keep it under the whole dollar.
I know it.
97, 98.
10
SPY,
cent rule.
SPY ready for the drop. Here we go.
SPY ready for the tank.
I want to take it early, but I'm not going to. Needs to get below 26848.
Sell signal confirmed.
Yep. Q's double bottom on the 1 minute and 2 minute. There we go. There's the new low. Here comes SPY. It cannot bounce on 26848. That would be a no-go.
Jeez. So volatile this morning.
Mm-hmm. Where's that bearish continuation? Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. A little further. We're in. 10 contracts. Market orders ready. Filled those at the wonderful price of, I can't actually tell. 170. Wow, what a fucking bounce.
Jesus.
But we are leaning bearish. Just has to actually continue bearish. What the hell?
Right? What the frick? Man, bro.
Bye, you're killing me. I guess this is a very broad-shouldered SPY morning.
We did make the new pivot low.
Yeah. By a few cents, but we still made it there.
Right.
Q's leaning over. DIA flat as hell. "15-minute chart, let's get a better picture there. 15 minutes slightly bearish. Slightly. 5-minute just choppy as hell. SPY above VWAP. Bloody hell.
Jeez.
Double top. That's a good sign. There we go. Nice long wick on the 1 minute. Q's 2 minute turned bearish. Where's like the super bears? Where's the hedge funds that short the hell out of SPY on the breakdown?
Right.
That's what we're looking for.
Yep.
We need Jerome Powell to come out and say the market is strong, and then it tanks 2%. Q's looking nice and bearish here.
There's some selling. Apple, new low Apple.
Good job. Q's back down to that low. See if we can make the new low, which would be just under 26447. DIA is flat as hell right now. Let's see how Q's plays out here.
Yeah, it's a key candle right here.
There we go. Slight move down. Q's trying. Watch it. It's almost there. 20 seconds on this candle. There we go, Q's new low. Very nice trend move. SPY down to 26848 again. Don't bounce. So this is now a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 taps on 26848 zone. Eventually this is going to fail. There's so much selling pressure on here. There we go. There's the sell.
Apple just bombed.
Yep, Q's looking for a low day. we need continuation.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
Mm-hmm.
The stream shows the true life in a trader: coughing, sneezing, crying, laughing, random panic attacks, getting pissed off at the market for what it just did right there. The life of a trader.
Sell signals deepening for SPY. That's good.
Yeah.
Money rotation is weakening for SPY. Also good.
Okay.
So
Q's needs to make the new low of day. That'll push it into turmoil. Because Q's went green and then decided, nope, not green anymore. DIA back at yesterday's low of day. Q's at yesterday's low of day. SPY at yesterday's low of day. That is the support that's holding. Oh my god, SPY.
let's just hold below VWAP here.
Long wicks on both sides.
That 60 cent range, man, it's so tough.
Yeah, SPY daily at a perfect spinning top.
Gotta get under 60.
Mm-hmm.
There it is, 59 touch. 56.
If I can get under 2680, that's where the real money's at. Q's needs to come down again.
That was a good close on the SPY 2 minute.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was. Long wick up top. DIA leaning over. Q's needs to turn red here on the 2 minute. At 268.48. That's rough. But bears are getting a little bit stronger and bulls are not willing to buy it up on each of these moves now.
Here we go.
Q's
Come on.
pushing.
There's the low. Come on. There's the SPY low.
Yeah, good move there.
Yeah, 268, under 268, and that's a problem.
Yep, under 268 and then under 26766. SPY double bottom, or sorry, Q's double bottom on the 2 minute. Needs to print 1 cent under that. $30 seconds on this candle. Come on, Q's. There we go. Q's new low on that trend. Let's see if we can grab low of day at 26417. Almost. Q's now under yesterday's low of day. Almost at. Oh, come on, Q's.
This is going to be contested here.
Mm-hmm.
You got that pre-market support level.
Bloody hell.
Yep, this is there's bulls in this market.
They're stupid.
I know you like to think that.
Oh, I do. I'm very much a bear.
Yeah, oh, right now for sure. For sure.
Oh, long wick on SPY. I'm just gonna watch that Q low of day. That's what needs to break. Because then all of tech gets really scared and then it throws everything into turmoil. DIA pulling back nicely.
XLK
Slow
having a
but
beautiful
steady.
hold.
Ooh,
Excellent.
XLK almost going negative. Materials needs to go negative.
Yeah, to heck with materials.
Well, materials is DIA for the most part, so why that's
Yeah.
green when DIA is down 0.5% doesn't make
Yep.
any sense.
Yeah, I got my eyes on cat here. It's still too bullish.
Come on,
30
Qs.
seconds. 30 seconds on the SPY candle.
Yep, 30 seconds. Qs needs to break new low of day. Right now. Or now. Or now. Anytime now, please. And new candle. SPY.
Yeah, we are so sideways. I actually see bullish wedges.
Yeah, there's some small ones.
Hmm.
I feel like this is a bull trap. I'm looking at the long wick on SPY here. DIA just at yesterday's low of day.
We got buy signals coming in here in a minute. Ah, jeez. We just didn't get the flush, man. Come on. That's BS. Qs, you suck.
SPY, last attempt for the 20 SMA reload on the 1 minute. And there it goes. 30 seconds on the candle. I'll see what it can do.
Ah, the Qs, you miserable piece of.
Yep. Sounds about right.
Actually, it looks like DIA may have gotten a move up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes.
Closed under the 20. Q's closed under the 13. Let's see if this is just a bearish reload here. Just patiently waiting. Yeah, DIA looking slightly bearish. Just got a nice curve on the day. Q's, bloody hell.
Qs, bloody hell. They just won't do it.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Qs. What a joke.
Spying a little wedge here. SPY doesn't give a shit about the wedge.
So the wedge is breaking out on Microsoft. The wedge is breaking out on Apple. Come on. Boo. I don't want to go long.
Yeah. Long wick on the 1 minute SPY. There's bears up here. They're short selling under VWAP. Yeah, that'll stay. Nope. Q's stalling up here a little bit. $20 seconds on the candle. We need to close red on this candle.
Money rotation coming out of SPY on this 2 minute move up.
Okay.
So the buyers are.
Who's playing the Mission Impossible theme song?
That's my thing.
Nice. SPY dropping through 26848. Mission Impossible.
Come on, Microsoft, set up.
SPY back under the 13.
$50 violated.
Yep. There we go. Q's stalling, DIA stalling with a pullback. Continuation candle slightly on SPY here, 1 cent lower, come on. Currently double bottomed on the 1 minute. Come on, candle, there we go, there's 1 cent under. So a lower high and a slightly lower low on SPY from 942 to 1011, and then that lower high at 1016. $15 seconds on this candle. Nope.
Hughes, man.
It's killer. Alright, VWAP, you're the last hope, and then I will just mark it out.
Boo. You stink. $20 seconds on this candle. Failed to get above VWAP on the 1 minute. Same on
That
the
is a
2.
great sign. Now just actually do the thing. I'm going to edit properties and hide the show price. Do not. There we go. Is this the true right shoulder right here? Just pre-market right shoulder 9:30 to 10:11 head, and right now is the right shoulder. That's a cleaner set. Let me quickly draw this. One, two, three. Just needs to actually do the thing.
We crack up here. It's
I know.
not good. Shit.
Alright.
Yep. Thanks. Thanks, you. Thanks. That's great.
Yeah. 30 seconds on this candle.
We have 20 seconds on this one, but
Yep. It's not looking good.
it is. It's going to close below VWAP, and that's going to confirm it.
Needs to.
I mean, it's 10 seconds, and we're being patient. And DIA is already showing it, and there it is on SPY, and there it is on Qs. So we just got to give it its time. There it is, close below, which is technically above the 20, but this is still our entry for the puts.
Yeah.
This is literally exactly what we want.
That's exactly what we want, Chris, right there.
Beautiful.
We're still in buy signal strengthening.
Yeah. You know, you're going to get a little bit of a buy signal. I think you could even try to break the pattern here, honestly. But I don't think it's going to push past the 30, 269.23. I don't even think it's going to push the 28.29 there. I think it's truly going to just settle in and relax a little bit. But 10.22.
It's being a challenge this morning.
Yes, sir.
I mean, we're in the green. But, just patience this morning. So sideways. So sideways.
It opened above VWAP.
I'm on the 2 minute.
Okay.
But yes, yeah, technically. Like I said, it could test high, or as still a lower high in the setup because you had a lower low right after the pullback to the 36, 38.
Yeah. Q's under VWAP, DIA under VWAP. Now it just has to actually go through the floor. Oh, this one's a killer day.
How long do you have?
I've got until like 11 or 12
Your time?
Eastern.
Oh,
I've got time.
you have plenty of time.
I could really go to like, if I wanted to, I could go to like 12, 10 Eastern, but that'd be okay. I don't think I'm gonna have to wait that long.
Oscillator weakening. We're about to violate a bullish channel here, or yes,
Yep.
bearish channel violation. Under there it goes. That's the violation right there.
That's what we needed. Lower high confirmed, and that's on the overall trend for the day. Thank you.
DIA
Thank
new
you,
low
Spy.
day.
Yep,
no,
DIA.
it's-
Well, almost. A new low in the trend, that's for sure.
New low in the trend.
That was the SPY entry, Chris.
You
It
were
was.
right. Well done. Now we sit here some more. Long 1 minute candle here. 7 seconds. Where's that continuation?
No. What is going on? MM manipulation pisses me off.
Yo, Aaron, and Jeff, Microsoft.
Yeah,
Keep the signal.
I glued the
You got
Microsoft.
signal.
Glued to it. Waiting for
Yep.
that.
Needs
20.
to violate new low of day.
We got lower highs, lower lows on Microsoft right now. 20 is about to cross down. On the 2 minute, histogram is deepening to the downside. Money rotation's weakening.
Yeah.
we're looking okay here on Microsoft.
I alerted the put loading 20
Thank
minutes
you.
ago for Microsoft, so
Nice.
hopefully anyone that was interested in that one is in it. Facebook looking awesome for my shorts.
Did you take it?
Oh, I've been in.
That a boy.
Yeah, no, they're bad below, dude. Oh my god.
Okay, Microsoft first leg cross down. 2 minute.
I can't watch 2 minute. I don't get enough information. And I just sit there and wait for the candle to print. It's like,
I can't watch the one because I get too much information.
oh.
In between the two of you, I've got the perfect amount of information.
You got the 90-second?
Jesus, no.
I'm trying to get the 1 minute or 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah, the 1 second candle? No, thank you.
Yes. I don't even need to look at the ask and bid. I can just tell you what's happening.
That would be a pain in the ass to watch. That'd be really funny, though. Because it would be a new candle every single second. That would be so much data. Oh my god.
SPY back into a sell signal here.
Yeah.
We got practice low.
Q's almost new low of day.
Apple is a mess.
10
Apple
cents.
testing day low.
Did you notice that we had the crossing of the 1020 back at 9:58 into a lower high, which is our entry, which confirmed the signal, into a lower low in the setup, which is going to happen in the next 5 to 10 minutes.
On what ticker, Chris?
SPY.
Okay.
2 minute, you get the 1020 cross. 1020 cross has been super solid for the 2 minute.
We got to get under 68 and 20 cents.
Yeah, and we've stayed in the bearish signal for everything else except SPY today. Oh well, Q's have had a flip, I guess. Didn't see that there.
Q's
DIA,
been decent.
yeah, but DIA is ready to go low day here. Just giving it time. Why are
Q's
you?
needs to get new low of day.
It'll happen. The hardest part now is not selling for profit yet.
Well, I'm at break even, plus or minus about $10.
What's your entry?
I got in on the actual breakdown of the original Head and Shoulders at 26848, and then add a little time decay.
Okay.
But I'm in 267.5 puts, so I've got room.
267.5?
Yep.
Jeez. Okay, I'm in 268.5.
Yeah, you're slightly in the money.
Yeah,
is
yeah, I'll
good.
take the extra premium for that. I'm definitely in the money on the profit loss. I added when it was at the high 60,
Well done.
2696, because we were waiting for that push.
Yeah.
And timing on that, I was surprised that it was in that window. Well, I mean, I'm trying to get better with my SPY timing, so I'm putting it public to
Yeah.
to
Make sure, it forces you to make sure that you're in the right move.
right. X SPY out of play. X Easy.
Q's looking for that new low of day. It's so close. Needs to get through. Q's new low on the trend.
Microsoft getting away here. The VWAP test came one candle before the cross down.
Yeah, it was happening as on my. Well, oh, you're right. That's savage.
One candle before.
I would have taken it there. I mean,
I need to follow my rules.
I know that's fair. Just because it was happening, but it didn't happen.
Come on,
You know what I
SPY.
mean? Oh,
Q.
SPY's coming, dude.
New low for Qs. Yes.
Almost
Yeah,
there.
Facebook new low day.
And
Microsoft
there's
is
the
ready.
Q's new low of day.
Come on, SPY.
SPY will follow. Or nope, Q's double bottom hasn't new low yet. Hasn't gotten that new low.
I'm watching DIA.
There's the Q's new low of day.
Here.
Thank you.
SPY broke down. Here we go, people. Here we go. Microsoft extended way out of the setup.
26800 psych support on SPY. Let's see if this gets violated.
Yep. Little bit. Ouch.
Nice move.
10-cent rule.
My automatic support resistance just confirmed the previous high as resistance, so that's locked in. Huge pre-market low. Here's the make or break. Bam, there's the break.
How's the day going, profit-wise?
I'm almost break even. I got wrecked this morning. I should have taken the profits on that drop, but I held like an idiot. So now I gotta make that back, but that's okay. I know where I went wrong, so I won't do that again.
Okay.
I'm up $25 on an NTAP put, NTAP.
Nice.
Just in Robinhood. Just trying to.
Oh, in Robinhood, just trying to make that account actually worthwhile.
Just trying to bump my little account up. I'll take $25 on one contract, and I will. Boy, NTAP looks really bad. NTAP. And the Qs are going to push that down. XLK red.
Everything but XLB is red. Why materials aren't red right now is confusing.
Exactly.
Square is up 40 cents.
That's a good time to short that piece of.
Yeah, for real. But it's down 4 points.
I'm trying to censor myself.
No, don't worry about it. The goal of this stream is to show how trading really is, not the stupid bullshit flashy stuff that you get from, like, what's his name? The asshole with a bookshelf. What's his name?
Which one?
Ty Lopez, that dude.
He's a trader? I thought he was a marketer.
He's a trader in the fact that he gets other people to trade for him,
Interesting.
and then he claims all the glory with his bookshelf because he's just so proud of it.
Well, then, I'm pissed off at Microsoft for missing the entry by one candle, but it didn't set up right.
That's all right.
Okay.
The setup's not there, there's no worries.
Let's stick to the plan. That's fine.
We're testing low of day here on SPY.
New low day, Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft is a mess.
Facebook
Absolute mess. NTAP is a mess. All I need is $9 on this NTAP put, and I will take it.
Here, this setup's going to take 5 minutes.
Watching SPY here, this needs to get a slight reload and then continuation down.
We will reload this.
However, that low of day is gross. The fact that we haven't double bottomed yet on SPY is not a good sign.
Q's trying to hold up. I can't believe you. You dirty bastard.
SPY back up to 268. Let's see if it rejects it. Yep, solid rejection. 10 cent.
Microsoft continuing down.
Good.
Apple testing lows as well. That's
Huge
another high
bearish wedge. Or bearish pennant, and there goes.
There goes Q's. Come on, SPY.
Needs to get the new low of day. 267.5, please. Almost there.
Pushing. Come on. Hope to. Boy, these permables in tech are just ridiculous.
Oh, hello.
Go.
See you
All right.
later.
Thank you. Finally.
It's funny, you can all see who's getting the data first by who cheers first.
Sorry.
The closer you are to New York, the quicker you cheer.
Oh,
Unless you've got a
man.
Bloomberg terminal.
Yeah, then they're getting it for it first, and everyone's like 5 minutes later, like, oh yeah, we already did
5
that.
minutes, holy crap.
Oh, you know.
The
minutes
Bloomberg
fast.
terminal at school is really good. I enjoy sneaking in there and trading every once in a while.
I bet that's fun to mess around with.
Oh yeah.
This looks disgusting, which is exactly what we want. Let's see, yeah. Cisco, that sucks. I'm sorry, dude.
Yeah,
SPY
post-
5 minute looks wonderful.
I don't feel bad, but the companies that do have really good earnings,
Everything is following
market
suit.
sucks.
Alright,
about to
263.68 is our price target, which we set this morning before SPY became a dick. So that price target is still in there, 263.68.
I'm 57% up on the day so far.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that.
As it stands right now, my position is up. PL open is 24%. That's not bad.
So I'm
in
just
the
literally
money.
sitting here.
Hey, Chris, remember when you said, damn, 267 fives? Those are in the money.
That's true. That is true.
Alright, 267.08. Let's get the 267.0 test.
Microsoft, wowee.
I'm just watching SPY. I'm not even looking at Qs or anything, so if anything crazy happens there, let me know.
Okay, I'm watching the 2 minute on those, so you won't know until after it happens, honestly.
Until after. Yeah, sounds about right.
Apple just printed the new low.
Yeah, it's attempting to put in a higher low, a lower high, which is going to have a little bit of recovery, but I mean, everything is falling as it's falling.
I think the market is going into turmoil mode.
Well, I mean, I looked at my scan. Oh, I'm saying scan. I looked at my watch list. It's a lot of the equity in the market. Oh, I'm really up in the day. I should hide this so I don't sell.
Smart man. I don't even look at that. I will not look at the dollar value. I can rough calculate it in my head, but I will not look at it.
I'm just relative to the position I took. You know what I mean? Like, only putting 300 in, being 200 up right now. That's
the way to do it.
So
I'm up, or I've got 2,000 in, and I'm up about 100 or so.
Okay. You're on the 1 day put?
Yep, 1 day.
Okay. Yeah, here's your lower high. Should reject from the 13 EMA on the 1 minute.
But it's up there. I don't think it's going to get up there.
Yeah, this is worst case. I like to give worst case before I start giving best case.
Yeah.
Because that way it's like, oh. But realistically, because of everything else pulling back, unless we're seeing a bottom, look at Microsoft, same pattern. Facebook, same pattern. Cisco, same pattern.
Yeah, the
we
whole
are going to
market's
see
running the same direction.
Right, we're going to see this continue. Now, Qs is giving a little bit of a push there, and DIA is trying to lag. Excuse me. So here's your 65 test shortly. 26765.
I'd like a 263, please. 263.68 would be swell.
Jeff, do you know when we are more likely to show a bottom on SPY during the day? That might even be a narrative question. What is normal?
Normally between 2 and 3:30 p.m. Eastern.
Jeez.
But as it stands right now, price-wise, 263.68. Here, let me drop my daily chart into options chat, just to show how much movement we really have.
I'm trying to find a day identical to this, and looking at October 10th, we have a movement from 287 to 276. I'm expecting this to be a 7 to 8 point day on SPY, and we see it hit a key resistance and sit there for 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So the next key resistance I have on SPY is 266.8, which I think this is going to definitely be tested shortly. I think that we're going to see that 13 EMA reject, like we were talking about.
Yeah, once you get into this super wide zone where there's no support on the daily, you have to play the 50 cents. And we're at a 50 cent right now.
I'm playing for the long
well, your support and resistance as you go down is in 50 cent increments.
Okay. You have Microsoft testing the 13 EMA clean right now. Same with Facebook. Wow.
SPY grabbed the 13 and rejected. Let's see if they can actually get the U-turn.
What's the 13 on the daily right
13
now?
on the daily is way up north. That's 27293.
Okay. I like this for the lower high. I think this is good.
Yeah, this will work here. 267.5 is the psych resistance, that 13 EMA on top of it.
Look at BA. Jeff.
Where's Jeff?
BA never gave us a signal.
Oh, there's Jeff.
He's here.
I'm here.
He's looking.
We lost Paula. I know Paula had to go to work or something.
I took $17 or 20% out of NTAP on one contract in Robinhood.
Let's go.
I love it.
Scalable. You find the system and do it. There we go. And we're coming down.
I'm probably
Another
just
5
going to
minutes
take
to
this
confirm.
to like 265, 266. Not that
Jeez.
far, but
We're going to 265 today.
possibly. It really depends on how the next 4 minutes plays out. It needs to reject the 13 here.
Okay, walk me through it.
So if we reject, we're going to do the 50-cent tap, bounce, tap, bounce, tap, tap, bounce. We're going to break 267. Ooh, come on, Spy, what are you doing? 3 seconds on the candle.
Let it think.
Go down.
Still bearish. It's just gonna have a little bit of a leg up there. But it's a sloppy bullish move. Like you can't.
Yeah.
I'm looking
There we go.
bullish far too
Bearish
long.
Harami, followed by a bearish engulfing on the 1 minute. Thank you. So we'll tap 267, then we'll break through 267 plus or minus 20 cents, come up to tap 267,
Okay.
go down to 2665, and then from there we'll see how it moves. But it just needs to actually go down.
It's just gonna be a time thing. That's why I was checking what time you need to leave.
Yeah. If need be, I will skip class today and email my homework, because this is
Yeah.
a few $1,000s that we'll pay for next semester.
Yeah. Honestly, if you're in where you're at 10 contracts,
You know,
and this breaks down as we're expecting.
I'll probably take half at 267.
Okay. Yeah, securing some profit, but making sure that if you're gonna skip class anyway, let it ride. We'll sit this out. You know?
Yeah.
Is it snowing there?
I mean, it snowed yesterday and the day before, but Colorado, the snow will melt by the afternoon. Alright, here's 20 SMA.
So that's on the 1 minute. Let's see on the
Yeah.
2. Why did the EMA disappear? There it goes. So we're just now on the 2 minute getting to the 13 EMA, which is where we were
Okay.
looking for rejection.
Oh, AMRN set up today, Chris.
They did. We
Yeah.
spamming that sucker in chat.
Nice. Nice little bull trap forming. Oh, no, maybe not. Fuck.
Ooh! I'm glad I dumped that position for
It's fine. This is the same thing I did yesterday.
20%.
Same thing I did yesterday. And get some hopeful bulls, dude.
Man,
Look at that volume.
that pissed me off. I hate it when that happens.
I mean, it's gonna. It's still below the 20 EMA. 2 minutes. There you go.
You need to come back down. It's only 8:45 here. I've got so much time.
Right now.
Needs to reject the 13:21 minute cross.
Eyes on Apple. I got the alert.
We're just looking for that little breakdown. Back under the 13.
I'm so used to being bullish. I'm like, no, it's coming down. Oh yeah, we want that. Yeah, come on, come on. Because I'm looking at bullish setups for momentum, and then I'm looking at SPY to go down.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah,
Plays with your
it's
head a
nice-
little bit. And you're still using the red and green chart, so you've got that psychology playing games with you too.
Not too much. I'm used to it.
That's good.
Yeah, this is it broke the bullish move on the 1 minute, you're going to see this as a lower high. It shouldn't close above that red candle next to it, or the candle right next to it, regardless of color for you.
Well, I still know what's red and green.
Well, yeah. And so, honestly, I wouldn't expect you to push past unless it's going to get volume and move on volume alone. If it's moving on volume alone, we can wait it out and it'll be fine.
Chris, did you watch my midday recap yesterday?
I did not. Where was this at?
It's posted in the YouTube channel.
Okay. Jumping
Just-
on that now.
About 11 minutes long, just talking about the tickers I had on the watch list.
SPY double top on the 1 minute. And at 268. And, God. Alright, we're bullish.
We still have a minute and 30 seconds to close below the 20 EMA. Aaron, just saying.
Yeah, but I'm getting the 1 minute 1320 bullish cross, and that's gonna be a pain in the ass if we move up at all anymore.
That one doesn't confirm as often as two. So time is relative. Remember,
Yeah.
2 minutes supersedes the 1 minute, even if it's the trend confirmation. Because I still have trend confirmation bearish on 2 minute.
Okay. Yeah, it's tough. And it got above 268.0.
Right, and we could still reject from 268.64. Like, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't.
Yeah, but that's up there.
It is. It's not. It's 50 cents. And it's
Right,
moved,
but on your option with
Yeah.
decay, that's gonna hurt.
yeah, but it's moved 3 points to 2.5 points today. Like we,
Yeah.
I'm in the same contracts as you. We're not losing that much. It's a full day contract. Like I said, done in today. It's tomorrow.
Yeah, let's see here. 5 minute SPY. Daily's still bearish, which is good.
If we were taking profit and didn't want to hold through a pull back up, we knew to take profit near that 67, break
Yeah.
into the 66. So you've already committed to, by not taking profit, you already committed to waiting through this.
Yep.
You start pushing past at 268.64 and reclaim VWAP and do all this crazy stuff. Yeah, I'm concerned, but this might be a SPY entry actually.
Eyes on Apple, baby. Whew, this thing is setting up nice.
BA is trying to. Ooh, that is beautiful. Did you send that out?
What's that?
Did you send that one out?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Yeah, look at this rejection. Oh my god, this timing on everything, dude. So this Microsoft is happening at the same time as we're concerned about SPY, right? So
Yep. Watching. Zooming out on the daily. I want to see if there's anything else I'm missing here. No, 264.7. That's still too far away. 266.25. Still too far away.
it should come down here. We're fine. Like Microsoft is heavily weighted. That's pulling back. Facebook's pulling back. Apple's pulling back.
That's okay. Back
AMRH.
green. It's okay.
BA,
Back to green.
the heaviest weighted stock for XLI.
Say it again, please.
BA is the heaviest weighted stock for XLI.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just pushing a low day. Apple. Yep.
I see it.
Watch for that cross. Oh wait, no. It already did cross. It crossed up here at the 188.41, dude.
Yes, it did.
Like the 2010.
Apple printing a pivot on the 2.
Yesterday, I was mad because I didn't hold all day. But reviewing my trade, I learned that if I would have taken my original anticipated entry as I'd planned before the market opened, I would have been in the green all day long and would have been comfortable to go and take a nap with my position and to stop loss. But
That's
yeah,
kind of crazy.
yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I've
yeah,
never been a
second
fan
half
of
today.
like through the entire day holds. They're just too choppy.
300%. I mean,
Well-
just have a hard time fighting against it, especially if it was what I planned.
Yeah.
You know what I
Oh
mean?
man, SPY. Dude. What are you
So
doing
26864, still below, and
here?
we
Still
have
below VWAP.
yep, clean rejection. Is Microsoft pushing? Microsoft is pushing.
Yes.
As is Facebook.
Okay.
As is Apple. Let's just
Yep. Patience here. We got to keep our eyes on what exactly SPY is doing for this to work.
right. This would be an ad position for me.
So I don't like Apple here.
Still closed under VWAP, but it's getting tougher and tougher. Especially with that huge increase in volume.
It's relative. I think we're okay. Let's see. Can you hear that dog?
Q's pushing.
Barely, but I don't really care. Just a dog.
Q's trying. Testing VWAP. Q's level really 164.90. I'm looking at for Q's.
Does that mean SPY coming off a low debt?
Now I just noticed the Q set up perfectly. 165 down to 163.5. That was a beautiful put for Q's.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect setup.
Let's see how this trades here.
There's a lot more buying momentum in this push than
Yeah, a lot.
there's a lot more momentum here. Apple breaking out. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that put. That was not ready.
Yeah, the Apple put would have been dangerous. You had the 2010 cross into that.
Up or
Wrong
I must
direction.
be up, Chris.
Yeah, the wrong direction. It was crossing up.
Yep.
You know, BA about to test. I like it. I like it. It's going to get everyone all optimistic, and they're going to buy in. They're going to go to lunch, and they're going to come back down. And then it'll panic in the afternoon, and that's where the 2 to 3:30 test comes in. Aaron said?
Yeah, around 2 to 3:30. That's when it really rockets up.
I hate Power Hour. I hate it. Apple rejecting right now. Q's rejecting VWAP right now. Q's are extended in their buy signal, approaching the 0 line. So this is make or break for Q's to come down. Apple really showing some difficulty here at VWAP.
Yeah.
It's up to the Q's though. You know, you can't. Actually, you know Apple is triple listed?
Yep.
Yeah.
They're special.
Well, of course they are. They make junky laptops. Stupid phone.
Sounds about right. That should be on their homepage. We make junky laptops and stupid phones.
And a lame ass watch.
The Apple Watch. I think it's going to be good with the integration of all their other garbage.
You would.
That's the only reason it's good is because it integrates into their other garbage.
Yeah, but I can sort with it.
out here.
Alright,
Q's.
Spy, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm looking for Q's at once.
Down my headset.
So I'm just gonna sit here with my hand on my ass. We're still in a bear market. This stuff is nonsense, but a bear market thrives on rallies.
Yeah, but this is one hell of a rally.
Gotta trade
Damn.
that hope.
I mean, let it go, man. The short opportunities are gonna come back.
Yeah, it's
VIX.
tough. Because now I'm at a loss again because I was stupid and held through.
The VIX holding above 22.
That's good.
It's very good. Interested to see where this candle closes. We're right there at that point we were talking about. Closed below it on the 1 minute, which is beautiful. That means the 2 minute is still there, of course, but I don't expect this to close above. Even with DIA. DIA is they're trying. Q's just crossed. Ooh, SPY is crossing on the 10 to 20.
Yeah. It's
How high are we going with this?
26895 is my absolute stop loss.
Okay, so Q's went higher than I thought. Boy, I wonder if SPY's got 270 in it today, just for the extreme.
All right, I'm about to get out. This is gonna really hurt my account, but we learned. This is gonna be like a $500 loss.
If it doesn't push that point, I would wait.
Yeah.
I'm still bearish.
NTAP pushing new lows. I got out too early, of course. There was no reason to get out there, technically, but it was Robinhood, man. I had to do it.
Yep.
It was a little account, just looking for a little gain, base hits, man. NTAP's in trouble. This is a nice clean trading chart too, backing it up. I think this is going to be something that I'm going to keep an eye on for dailies, intradays, scalps and stuff. Nice chart here.
Let's see if we can finally fail here.
Here's a stock that's in trouble. Pan W.
Pan W, what's that?
Palo Alto Networks.
Sounds like a Silicon Valley dumpster fire.
$172 a share.
Look at DIA.
Wow, that's up there. Yeah.
It was $230 months ago. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a dumpster fire. Silicon Valley dumpster fire.
She's in a bear market for sure.
DIA is about to break setup, and then we should see SPY follow suit. It's been leading the bears today.
Yeah.
Q's has been the rally point, but tech is not strong right now. Actually, we're positive on the day with a half a point on Square, 2 points on Apple, 12 cents on EA. TTWO up 1.57, and RTN 1 cent. Still confident with bearish moving up 5.5 points down on VA.
Okay, SPY testing VWAP from the top side.
Yep. Needs to get under it and close under it.
DIA is
50
helping in
key. Aaron, I see.
DIA never got above VWAP, and that's a good sign.
taking profit above 50% this next time.
Yeah.
Pan W. Boy, we looked at that chart right at the right time. Woo!
Yeah.
Get moment, baby. The option held. Not too bad. The volume, not too bad. IV over 50 though. I don't know if I like that. I guess it's relative to the ticker though, right, Aaron?
Yeah, very much so. Holding above VWAP on SPY and on Qs.
Mm-hmm. I see kind of a 2-minute double top on SPY with a rejection. Let's see here. The 2-minute candle that printed at 1054. Now, if we can make this low under VWAP, we could see a pullback. I'm not saying we're bearish just yet, but
the only thing that would really concern me is if we got the pullback and it stalled around 26808 and then moved back up, because that would turn into an inverse head and shoulders on SPY.
right, exactly. I see that also. Yeah.
And that's a clean inverse head and shoulders.
Yes, sir.
So we don't
That's
want
a beautiful on the move down. The move back up is almost symmetrical.
Yeah.
We just had DIA reject from the 20 EMA, and it's still happening right now. It's trying to stay below. And now we have SPY double topping, triple topping on that 268.64 on the 1 minute.
Watch a SPY bear flag right here, though.
Yup. Q's trying to give it up. No. It's too extended to be a bull.
Q's failed VWAP.
There you go. There's your help. There's DIA.
This is a nice reload spot up here. I'm trying to see, do I want to take 5 more contracts?
Yeah, we were talking about that at, well, shoot, I guess it was 10:47. See, I start too early. I just grab them too early.
That's normal. You grab them too early. Alright, I'm going to grab 5 more.
A lot of these charts and dailies are just extended to the downside so bad.
We don't have to see a lower low in this setup.
Alright, there's 5 more contracts. Now I'm up to 15 contracts, and that's where I'm a little uncomfortable. I'm going to push the limit this morning.
Q's at that 64.60.
DIA's
VIX actually went up in that little move up from SPY. VIX increased as SPY increased.
That's not foreshadowing. I don't know what is.
Right, if that's not the market looking forward.
Right. Oh, Microsoft coming back down, Jeff. This looks nice.
I see Microsoft. We're still above VWAP here. Apple's well above.
Facebook day.
I think more curious of a chart is CAT. We got a double top on failed breakouts above 126.50, and then we printed that engulfing red in this current move down. I think CAT is looking good here to continue down. We just need the signal to. We just need a good entry. Long story short.
Yep. DIA got a new little lower low there on the 2 minute.
Qs, of course, are going to resist.
I know.
We're still in a bullish flag on SPY.
What time frame?
2 minute.
Very slight.
Yeah. If we crack above VWAP, that's going to do it. If we crack below the 20, then we should come down. But we need to print that fat red to the downside on SPY.
I agree. We all eagerly wait.
Yeah. Q's needs to stay under VWAP, as does SPY.
Give a nice rejection on both right now.
DIA I'm not worried
the
about.
charge down. So that's going to help.
I moved to the 2 minute SPY to get a little bit of a less dramatic picture.
Feel you there?
Clean up those charts by 50%, man.
Once we get into the move, then I'll move it back to the 1. Just needs to actually do the move.
Cat just printed a fat boy.
Nice.
And DIA just came below a whole dollar.
SPY's going to try to push here.
SPY push, Q push, both above VWAP. Son of a bitch.
DIA still under VWAP.
I hate that long candle. Oh, bloody hell.
Only on volume.
Oh, man, where is...
Alright, it's bullish. Son of a bitch.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Alright.
That's gonna hurt.
Head and shoulders played out. That right shoulder just didn't come deep enough.
I'm gonna let this 1 minute candle figure itself out. That hurt a lot.
Email that homework, buddy.
Yeah. That's gonna really hurt the account.
We're gonna see another push here. We could see
Yep,
2699
I'm out. Down 925 on the day. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, that hurt. Alright, so what did we learn? One, I traded a little bit too large. I had profits on both moves and I didn't take it because I got greedy. And that's not a good thing to do. Oh boy. So I got greedy. No fun. We're gonna end the stream there. I'll post the books and trade recaps just to show how bad it really is, because I don't care to hide it. There's no point in that. But it was a tough morning. We learned some lessons, and that will be posted in trade recaps. And then we'll come back tomorrow and try again. So thanks all for watching. There were quite a few people on the stream this morning, so that was really nice. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. So have a good one.